Solve the equation and check the solution. Negative 8 times, in parentheses, 2x plus 4 is equal to negative 4 times, in parentheses, 4x plus 8. Using the distributive property on the left-hand side, multiplying negative 8 times both terms gives a negative 16x. Negative 8 times that 4 is a negative 32. On the right-hand side, negative 4 times 4x is a negative 16x, and negative 4 times 8 is a negative 32 or a minus 32. Now this is interesting. Notice that we have the same identical expression on both sides, negative 16x and minus 32. Also notice that if we try to combine our x terms by adding 16x to both sides, it cancels off both the left and the right, leaving us with a true statement. Negative 32 is equal to negative 32. This equation is an identity. Every value that we plug in for x is going to make it true. And we would say then that the solution set is all real numbers.